What is 3D laser scanning and why is it so widely used in modern surveying and construction? If you're planning, designing or building, accuracy is everything. 3D laser scanning is a technology that makes this possible. Here's what you need to know. 3D laser scanning captures precise 3D spatial data of real-world objects and environments. It works by firing millions of laser pulses per second, measuring the distance to surfaces and generating a point cloud, a digital replica of the real world. At Laser Surveys, we use high-performance scanners from Faro, Leica, Trimble and Navis. Depending on the project, we deploy tripod-based scanners, mobile SLAM scanners and drone-mounted LiDAR scanners. Surveyors and construction professionals, laser scanning delivers highly accurate data, rapid data collection, ideal for busy or restricted sites where time on site needs to be minimised. No contact measurements. Scanning doesn't require physical contact or proximity to the object being surveyed. It creates a comprehensive digital record of a site. Scanners capture the entire environment by default, reducing the need for return visits, seamless integration with Revit, AutoCAD and other design tools which can provide highly realistic visualizations. From point cloud data, we generate topographical and measure building surveys, floor plans, elevations and sections, or use them to create 3D Revit models. Plus, 360 online viewers let you explore the site virtually, take measurements and share feedback. No special software needed. With over 45 years of experience, we provide more than just data capture. We deliver complete solutions. Every project is managed in-house from scanning through to CAD and BIM outputs, ensuring full quality control and fast turnaround times. From initial concept to final construction, 3D laser scanning gives you the confidence to plan and build on accurate information. Contact Laser Surveys today for a free consultation and quote.